Good morning, partners all over the world. So, how are you today? So, by the way, I have here a new video which is all about Crowd One residual income. Okay, which is all about our long-term monthly income. And of course, I have here covering up how to qualify. All right. And of course, if you are new here, by the way, if you are new here on this video, on this channel, alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified, alright, every time there's a new video because I upload new video every day. So by the way, before we proceed, shout out to the team of Coach Daylin Marfil of Saudi Arabia. She is also the one who requested to do further about this ways to earn here in Crowd One. Alright, so Coach Daylin Marfil, so good luck to your team there in Saudi Arabia. Alright, so by the way, let's move on. So what is residual income? So residual income is actually our 8th way to earn here in Crowd One. Okay, this is our 8th way to earn. So remember that we have fear of loss bonus, educational sales bonus, matching bonus, customer sales bonus, active user for income, booking income, weekly streamline bonus, and monthly residual income. And the last one that comes last, alright, is our quarterly Crowd One rewards that we just had last September 15. Alright, and I have done a separate video about that. So today I'm going back to each of the ways to earn here in Crowd One. So tomorrow I will be doing other thing which is all about how to increase your weekly streamline bonus and other ways to earn. So today on this video I will just focus more on our monthly residual income. Alright? So residual income is our long-term monthly income. Okay, for members with network levels. So network levels, okay, if you just go to your account and click that network level, or you can find it in the upper right of your account if you qualified already. Alright, so, and this residual income actually is given every 15th of the month. Wow, every 15th of the month. So, to give you another information about residual income, it is actually came from the 40% of the profits of the company from all the products and services all over the world. So that 40% goes to that pool. Alright, so it means, okay, it started from team leader 1, coordinator, manager, okay, director, president, okay, and then senior president and ambassador level. So it means, alright, the higher the level, the bigger residual income will be. Alright, and I'm going to show you some sample of the income of residual income here. And this is the sample. So actually, coaches, residual income is way better or bigger than our quarterly Crowd One rewards. Like this, if you can see here, 481 actual income from residual income. We're in 128 euro only from the Crowd One rewards. Alright, so in peso, it is 28,000 pesos. Alright, now another one here, actual income that we have here, 4,221 euros from residual income and 1,039 only from the Crowd One rewards. Alright, so it's in peso, it's huge, 253,260 pesos. Another one here, 13,560 euros. 13,560 euros from the residual income. This is only 1,495 from the C1 rewards. Alright, so in peso, it's huge. 813,000 pesos, 813,600 pesos. That is huge. So I just show you this because to realize, guys, that residual income is bigger than the Crowd One rewards. And it is given every month. Remember that every 15th of the month. Now, in this video, I'm covering up how to qualify and how to get higher ranks so that you will be getting higher residual income monthly. Okay? Alright. Now, it is also the basis for our incentive for cruise and bucket list, like enjoying the free VIP luxury cruise if you reach the director 1-star level, or enjoying those luxury cars, okay, if you have reached that president 1-star level. That is some of the bucket list and incentive from the company. Now, Second part of the presentation of this video is talking about how to qualify for residual income. Alright? So, let's move. So, the first thing you need to do is this. Make sure that your binary is activated. Okay, what is binary? Binary is one of the ways to earn here in Crowd1. That is our second way to earn passive income, active income, okay? And this is what we call binary. Okay, remember that all you need to do is to have one affiliate on your left activated and one affiliate on your right activated. Just two persons, two leaders, two affiliates, two members, one left and one right. That's it. That is the minimum qualification. What is the purpose? The purpose of that is so that you can convert your points into euros immediately, because every time the points are being matched, so those income will go directly to your account balance. Okay, plus if your binary is not activated, okay, those points will be in your potential bonus only or on your waiting points. It will not go to your account balance. It will be there only on the waiting points or on your potential bonus. Okay, so if the points are not matching, so you are not also increasing your rank, because the rank actually depends on the matching points. Alright, the matching points, right? Like this, if your binary is not activated, so it will just go to the waiting points or it will just go to your potential bonus. It will not go to the account balance. Alright, so what you should do, all you need to do is go to your account, that network level, click that, and you can find it here how many points you need, okay, to reach that level. Like this account, so she just needs 230 points, and if you're going to scroll down, it will give you this page. Okay, and the first level is, in the first rank is team leader. Team leader 1 star, 2 stars, and 3 stars. So 1 star level will you just need 500 points, and that is easy. 1,000 points for 2 stars and 2,500 for 3 stars. So remember, coaches, that all these points are total accumulated team points match, not personal. It is team points match. It is easy to accumulate and easy to match, easy to achieve, because remember guys, that white package has 90 points already. 274 black, 724 gold, and 2250 for titanium, and 500 points is easy. So the problem is your binary is not activated. That's why you are not getting this point being matched. You are not also getting that binary income. So there's no income going to your account balance also. That is the effect. That is the domino effect. Alright? So that is the minimal requirement. Remember guys, you just need to activate your binary. Alright? So until you reach this level 10, which is Director 1 star level, that will give you a 7-day free VIP cruise along with other qualifiers from all over the world for free. That is one of the incentive from the company. Okay, and while moving up, you will be reaching the president level, senior president, even the ambassador level. It depends on your hard work. It depends on your team efforts. Alright? So, making you realize guys that teamwork is really important here. As I told on my previous video, we are not superhumans. We cannot do it alone. We cannot do it alone. You need partners. You need leaders in your team so that you can maximize this opportunity. Alright? Now, there are some tips to give to get higher ranks for monthly residual income. Remember this guys, that you need to balance your left and right points. That's it. Check your downline viewers, okay, and you can see even in your portal, so how many points are you waiting and how many potential bonus are there. So all you need to do is, if the one leg is strong, you need to focus on the weaker leg so that you can get matched with that waiting points, and those points will be converted to euros, and at the same time it increases your rank level. Alright? So this is the one you need to do. Network level, click that. and then check how many points you need. Okay, and even you can see what level or what rank are you in and how many points you need. Alright, so having a strong team on one side is always an advantage because your job is more easier. You will be just focusing on the other side. That is the advantage of having a strong leg. It means you have a good, very good team. Secondly, you will always get the 1:3 ratio for binary income. So it means every single sign up, you will earn 36 euros from white package already. Okay? 108 euros for black, 288 euros for gold, and 900 euros for titanium every single sign up. That is the advantage of having the stronger leg. It means you have a very good team on the other side. Okay? Like this. See, this is an account with a stronger leg on the left. She has an accumulated points of 14,490. So it means every time she activates, okay, or if there's a new affiliate sign up on the right side, so she gets 1:3. That gives a huge income directly to your account balance. Alright? Even those spillovers from the sponsors or from the team. That's why I'm telling you, if your binary is activated, so all the spillovers points, it will be converted immediately to euros directly to your account balance, or else it will be there only in your account. So you are just losing those points. All right. So don't forget, guys. Remember to activate your binary, one left and one right, and that's it, so that you can enjoy this amazing opportunity. Okay. Now, last part, aside from 1:3 binary income, you also get the times 2 number of points. So it means that every single sign up, it will give you 4 times of the points. Like white package, it will give you 360 points, 1,080 points for black, 2,880 for gold, and 9,000 points for titanium. That is the advantage also of having the strong leg. Okay, one sign up is enough to give you good binary income and higher points for your rank level. Okay, remember that it will increase your rank level faster, right? That is the purpose of having the strong leg. So to have the strong leg, you need to have a good team. That's the point of my previous video. Teamwork is very important. All right, so in summary, so crowd 1 residual income is a long-term monthly income. Long-term, okay, which is bigger than the crowd 1 rewards for quarterly dividends. And remember, it is our 8th way to earn here in crowd 1. Okay, so up next, by the way, I will be making a new video about how to build a strong team that will give you an earning of 6 digits monthly. Alright? So by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright? So that you will be updated every day if there's a new video uploaded to our channel. Again, shout out again to our team in Saudi Arabia, team of Coach Daylin Marfil. Good luck to you, Coach, and your team. Hopefully, after watching this video, so I will be seeing you more on the top. Alright? So remember that the team that learn together earn together. Okay, that's all for now. And God bless us all. Thank you so much, coaches.